Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what the heck you got going on. All right. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Wonderful, wonderful break. If you guys were in school, break from you guys putting in your PTO. Hopefully, y'all did utilize that PTO. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what y'all got going on. I want to know, what is it that we need to know for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Please, spirit, clear, accurate messages only. What's happening? I'm seeing physical jail, y'all. I'm seeing a water sign could definitely be significant. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, physical jail. Okay. Now, when I look at this physical jail, also do know that things that happen, what happens in the spirit also happens in the physical. So it seems like somebody might be as well going to spiritual jail, which in turn, seeing that they will be going to physical jail as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look a little bit further. Would you mind clarifying this physical jail, please, spirit, for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What's going on with this physical jail energy? Y'all, the first card that came out is curse. Number 40, hate, catastrophe, misfortune. It seems like this person is about to experience some sort of misfortune. There's energy of this person feeling cursed or possibly being cursed. Okay, they might have cursed themselves or something like that. There's energy of some sort of curse here. Okay, blindly, this person possibly even tried to curse you or something like that, or someone tried to curse them. I'm seeing awkward, unknown, blind. Number 9 could definitely be significant. All right, it's talking about something coming to a completion, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody going to physical jail, possibly due to some sort of hate, some sort of curse, all right, or possibly trying to cause some sort of catastrophe. I'm seeing karma is here. Someone's getting karma. There's an energy of someone being held accountable for their action, and I see this person is in this energy of feeling unpleasant. Number 74 could be significant. I'm seeing this person is being very angry. All right, possibly taking some sort of offense to the things that are possibly happening in their life or something like that. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Would you mind clarifying curse? Clarify curse, please, spirit, subject to the Divine Space family, friends, and collective. Curse, curse. Y'all, too many cards came out. Would you mind clarifying curse, please, spirit? Curse. Okay. I'm saying evil eye. Clarify curse is evil eye. Like I said, this person is possibly experiencing some sort of going to be in physical jail, spiritual jail. There's energy of this person possibly even feeling this energy of being cursed, experiencing some sort of misfortune due to their hate and them giving evil eye, a water sign. They could be giving it to a water sign, or a water sign could be giving it to someone else, but I'm definitely seeing it's towards the energy of someone that has divinity. Clarify this justice card. What's going on with this justice? Number 11 could be significant. What happened with with justice? All right. I'm seeing there's an energy of this person is coming out as an ice queen. This is the energy of someone that try to portray themselves as if they don't give a fuck about anything or anyone else. Well, that may be exactly what they are, their exact energy. They are possibly very selfish. I'm also seeing this person having some sort of obsession with you. Number 83 could be significant. That's what I'm seeing here. Clarify this fairy. Yeah, it seems like this person has some sort of obsession with you. Yeah, I'm seeing this furry energy. It seems like there's an energy of things coming to an end or have came to an end. Okay, it seems like this person has been or will be blocked out of your energy is what I'm showing here. There's an energy of coming to the end of the road, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. And I see you guys experiencing some sort of getting some sort of unexpected finances, and that really sets them off. This person get cut off, and next thing you know, you have an uptick and an increase in finances as well. Is what I'm showing here. But that's them coming up against you, you know, possibly trying to curse you or try to do something to you, cause some sort of misfortune, doing things out of hateful intentions and sending evil eye and possibly plotting and talking about you and things like that. They're receiving karma for their obsession and them being selfish and cold hearted and closed off type of energy is what I'm seeing here. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot and see what else is going on and clarify a little bit further. Y'all, What else is going on? Anything else we need to know regarding the yeah, I'm seeing an energy of there's an energy of this person possibly at some sort of crossroads, okay? Or crossroads could definitely be significant when it comes to this person. I am definitely seeing an energy of them being blindfolded, or there's energy of being blinded. Or maybe they thought that you weren't going to find out. Maybe they was going to try to blind you, but nonetheless, there's an energy of confusion. Okay, it's like an energy of this person being confused or blindsided or something like that. It's like an energy of their mind, something about their head, something that's attacking their head is what I'm seeing here. What's going on? Yeah, yeah, I'm seeing there's this person may be experiencing, some sort of imbalance, especially when it comes to their finances as well. All right, I'm definitely seeing an energy of juggling energetically. Okay, there's an energy of them juggling energetically. All right. I'm seeing you guys in this energy of happiness. There's an energy of you guys experiencing some or receiving some sort of wish fulfillment is what I'm seeing here with the Nine of Cups. I'm seeing the energy of healing. And it looks like it's coming in very quickly, is what I'm seeing here. Anything else we need to know? Yeah, especially when it comes to something that you have been investing in, okay? Your energy into, and it looks like I'm seeing something coming in quickly. I'm seeing a lot of quick Knight of Swords, Eight of Swords. There's a lot of quick activity that's happening. I'm seeing with this star, there's some sort of wish fulfillment. All right. There's some sort of wish fulfillment here. Amen. Yeah, I'm seeing a chariot. It's like you guys have received some sort of victory or have some sort of victory. There's energy, you guys moving on victoriously. And it looks like things are sped up. Things are speeding up or have sped up for you guys, is what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing the devil here. Okay. What's going on with this devil energy? I'm seeing whoever this devil energy is someone that's very manipulative. This is the energy of someone having mental health issues. I'm seeing this person is like a cheater, a liar, a deceiver, a manipulator. This is someone that like to manipulate people's minds. This is the energy of someone that possibly need like flying monkeys and things like that. It's like this is the energy of them feeling like I see them like harboring over something that has possibly already happened. Okay, that they possibly can't let go. It's like an energy of this person possibly feeling left out. Okay. There's an energy of feeling unwelcome. There's an energy of them, um, you know, harboring over something that they can't take back. You get what I'm saying? It's like water under the bridge. There's an energy of crying over spilled milk. And it's like they're in this energy of experiencing financial issues again with this Five of Pentacles. There's an energy of them experiencing bad luck, experiencing financial problems, might even be experiencing homelessness. You coming out as the wounded warrior, you're someone that wanted to work with this person, possibly assisted this person or something like that with the Three of Pentacles. You assisted or helped this person in some form of fashion is what I'm showing here. And I'm seeing like there's an energy of judgment being called, okay, where you guys had walked away or had to walk away from this person. Okay, with this Eight of Cups, there's an energy of you having to abandon this person. You possibly didn't even say anything. Yeah, this person was definitely toxic. And as you can see, this bowl is on fire. So it seems like toxic love, toxic connection, and you having to abandon, walk away, withdraw your energy from this person and close out the cycle because it seems like there was conflict here. There was definitely conflict here, hater type of energy. Okay, possibly jealousy, possibly competition, because as you can see, there's an energy of competition, like a crab in a barrel type of energy as well. And whoever this person is could have possibly very well been some sort of soulmate type of energy that you may have possibly from another lifetime or something like that. Because this is definitely coming out as some sort of kindred spirit. This person can possibly be childish, immature, financial, energetically, emotionally. Is what I'm showing here. And you got the Six of Cups out here. Yeah, they're definitely coming out as nostalgic. So this is someone energetically is coming out as someone from the past, like a cycle that has been closed out with this person. This could have even been an ex or something like that as well with the Six of Cups. That's what I'm seeing here. And I'm seeing you guys moving like there's energy of you guys being like a free spirit, moving at the beat of your own drum. You have the Most High here assisting you, guiding you. All right, watching over you, especially when it comes to something that things that especially when it comes to things that are hidden or illusions that's being cast. It's like things being revealed to you or have been revealed to you, and it can also be like in your dreams or something like that. I'm seeing the energy of you guys having this Christ consciousness or this spark, this light. There's a flame. Okay, there's some, I don't know, there's some sort of spiritual flame here that you guys have. Again, divine beings, divine feminine, divine masculine energy. But yeah, whoever came up against you, gave evil eye, tried to curse you, did magic on you or something like that, they about to go through it. What is it? Take me through there. Take me through there. Somebody about to get taken through there. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.